Hello, students in Library 10. This is Tony, your instructor. This short video clip is to give you some tips on how to do your copy and paste when you go from OneSearch or one of our databases back to your works cited document. I'm using Google Docs here. So I have my topic, school start times and adolescent sleep patterns. I'm going to start my list of works cited. These are articles that I read and used in my essay. So to start with, I'm going to go to OneSearch. I had my search terms up here. This one that came up here first was one that I used. So I'm going to get the citation for that. And as we learned, you can select the quotation marks, grab the citation, copy it to your clipboard, insert it into the Google Doc. I look at this, and if I give it a really close look, I notice a couple of issues. One of them is when I pasted, the italicized words here for the journal title did not appear italicized. So I'm going to have to deal with that. The other thing I notice is that there's no digital link or digital object identifier to lead my reader to the online article that I used in my essay. That needs to be in there as well. So sometimes OneSearch is not going to give you all the details that you need for your MLA citation. In that case, what you do is you go to the actual database that you used. In this case, it was opposing viewpoints. I'm going to go there, and here's the article. I'm going to select the citation tool here, and I see it's got the link. So I select, copy, go back to my doc, paste, and I take a close look at it, and I've got italicized words here for the journal, italicized words here for the database title, the link, so my reader can access the article I used if interested. It even gives me the date I accessed it, which is a nice feature to have, and it's optional. The title is all in caps, and that generally wouldn't happen when you're doing your citation and pasting it into your essay or your Google Doc. But in this case it did. If I could change it so that not every single letter is capitalized, but at this point I'm just going to leave it. So look out for those little pitfalls that can sometimes happen when you're copying and pasting a citation. And if you have any questions, contact me. Thanks.